Good morning, good afternoon, good night, guys. What is up? It's Jojo, and we are back with another Disneyland vlog. Today's a special day, though, because it's Disney Plus Day. It's the second anniversary of Disney Plus, and they are going all out across America. They have stuff going on in Hollywood Studios in Orlando. They have stuff going on in Disneyland and Disney's California Adventure, and I'm very excited to cover it. I see a huge blue carpet. It's gonna be a fun day. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell. Oh my gosh, on our way in. Disney Plus Day, November 12th, 2021. Celebrate the stories you love. Look at this blue carpet. Disney Plus Day. This is nuts. This is a one-day thing. Super excited about this. I was actually helping Disney Plus Day. Still haven't been on the train in Disneyland. We're getting a picture right now on the carpet. Disney Plus Day. Look at this carpet. We're gonna take a picture right now. Love that. It is Disney Plus Day. Here it is, everyone.
Wow, look at that.
We waited so long to take a picture, but there's another one on the right side. It hasn't even been a full day since the last time we were in Disneyland. We were here last night for the Christmas event. Top right corner, you didn't check it out, but it's fun because I'm actually getting to see the Christmas decorations in the daytime today and truly experience Christmas because it officially started today. Main Street during the day is nice. We got Winnie the Pooh all dressed up with his Santa hat on, and Tigger has his Santa hat on too. I love your Christmas hat. All ready for the holidays? It looks good, yeah. It's a little bright for you. Yeah, maybe give it a couple of more weeks. Ah, okay. Yeah, fun in the sun, but can still celebrate the holidays. I got you. I heard Captain Phasma and Powerline Max is over here. We're gonna go see for ourselves. The characters will be over here. Obviously, they're not here right now, so to wait for them, we're gonna go on Space Mountain. They do have a single rider. It's a 30-minute wait, which actually is not bad at all, but it might be even shorter than single. Look at Kyle. He thinks he knows everything.
It's only 30.
Do you know where the single rider entrance though is?
No, I have no idea.
It's at the exit.
Really? Do you want to go? Do you just want to wait 30 or no?
I mean, listen.
Okay, single rider.
Here we are at the exit. People are leaving, looking at their pictures, and there it is. Space Mountain, single rider, all nestled in the corner. This time around, single rider ended up being just about the same as standby queue. 25, 30-minute wait. Okay, here we go. We're leaving Kyle. Here's Kyle. I will say, Space Mountain here in Disneyland is a lot more smooth than Disney World's. However, I still like Disney World's more. Still no luck on seeing Max and Goofy. However, I made my way towards the front where Cruella is apparently out at, but I was surprised because we see Minnie, Goofy, and Mickey in their holiday attire for Christmas, and they look lovely. Wow, you look great. It's good to see you, buddy. I like the scarf. Did Minnie make it for you? Yeah? Yeah, she's great. She's great at what she does. I understand. Look at Minnie. Yeah, little snowflake leggings too. That's cute. Goofy's hat. I don't know. Goofy's my favorite fit out of all of them, though. Wow. Goofy, you're looking good, buddy. Nice and warm. Nice and warm in this sun. I will say Disneyland's all about entertainment. Look at Clarabelle. Clarabelle Queen, you look great. And we got, is that Chip or Dale? I can't see. Oh, hey Dale, good to see you. Oh, wow. What a hangout. We got Clarabelle, Goofy, Minnie. Wow. Look at Goofy
There
hyping
you
her
go.
up.
Now you can go ahead and come on up.
That's so awesome. Minnie, I love your outfit. It's great. Good seeing you, Mickey. Yeah, she's great. I know. Wonderful. Goofy, you like my hat? I like your hat. Oh, man. Their fits are so great. That made me happy. Oh, my gosh. Cruella! She's especially here because of Disney Plus Day, and I'm all about it. Look at her. She's killing it. I love the whole fit. I just watched the movie. Corella's killing it. Ah. Corella, can I ask you one question?
Of course you can.
Where'd you get your jacket from?
Are you serious?
You made it.
Did you just hear what he asked me? Yes, of course I did. I made everything.
I love what you did. I love your work, and I hope one day I can acquire such a fashion sense like you. Obviously, I'm in flip-flops right now, so I gotta work on it.
Yes, well, some people dress to the nines, I dress to the tens. The 10 is reserved just for me.
Fair enough. Okay.
Obviously, though.
Obviously. You have a good day, Corella. I'm really happy I was able to see her because technically you can only see her Oogie Boogie Bash. So the fact that she's out here today is lovely. The Royal Theater is one of my favorite places to go in Disneyland just because you never know what characters you're gonna run into. And right now we have Anna and Elsa out here. You know, I was really excited to have some hot cocoa today, but it's kind of hot outside.
I know, well, I was thinking that too.
Yeah.
And I was just gonna grin and bear it, but I was thinking a chocolate milkshake.
Oh, I like that idea.
Right?
Chocolate milkshake. Yeah. Do you want just a normal chocolate milkshake, or are we gonna get like a chocolate milkshake with marshmallows in it?
Maybe some whipped cream and then some chocolate sprinkles. And
Wow.
chocolate swirl,
I like what you're thinking.
a chocolate bar in it.
Listen, I would invite you to come have a milkshake with me, but you have a lot of fans here. But it's good to see you. Good to see you. We have a very special character today. I've never seen him. It's Merlin. He seems a little lost. And then we have their normal princesses coming out, Ariel, Jasmine, and Belle. However, everyone's more excited about this man. Merlin.
I'm wondering if perhaps if we move over here, there's less
Oh,
sunlight.
yes. Let's
I'm
walk.
just moving right over here. This will be better for everyone.
Merlin, you know how the light works. That's good.
Yes,
Oh,
there
wow.
we are.
Hey, hello.
Works better.
Good to see you.
Ah, if at first you don't succeed, try again.
You know, I'm surprised that you're here today.
Oh, really? Why?
I've never seen you before. I've heard tales of you. I've heard about the Sword in the Stone, but I've never seen you.
Oh, well, I come here quite often.
Oh, okay, cool.
Oh, yes.
Yes, I like the hats.
Oh, well, thank you very much. It's good for performing magic.
No, I must ask, have you ever heard of another wizard named Yen Sid by chance?
Oh, I do not know this.
Ah, Yen Sid. Okay, well he's a really cool
Well, invite
magician.
him over. We'll have tea.
Oh, that'd be lovely. If I see him, but I'm happy to see you today.
Oh, wonderful.
Can we take a portrait?
Of course.
I'm not gonna lie, seeing Merlin was so sick, and Cruella. I'm just really happy. Disney Plus Day is such an interesting random event that I didn't realize was gonna go on, but I'm glad I'm here in Disneyland to catch some of these characters. The Christmas parade is starting in about 13 minutes. Small World, unfortunately, is still down. They do have the Christmas overlay, but it flooded the other day, so they're just trying to figure that stuff out. Now, characters do meet here, and I heard because of Disney Plus Day, they're rare. But again, everyone's just getting ready for the parade. So we're gonna go watch the parade now. Kyle and I keep trying to come to Star Wars Launch Bay to see Captain Phasma or Max, but we keep missing them. But now it's time to see the parade,
Do you
or
want
part
to
of
see
it.
if we can eat at the Blue Bayou? You said
Sure.
you want to do that day one.
Now this is kind of wild just because the parade's about to start in 2 minutes, and Kyle and I were able to just find the seat like right where they come out. This would never happen in Disney World. Just found out that this is where the parade ends, not begins. The parade began here last night during the event, but oh well. 3 o'clock parade starts at a Small World, and then the 5:30 starts on Main Street. Oh boy. I'm enjoying this. A Christmas fantasy parade. This is the first time they're doing this parade in the daytime since pre-COVID, which is cool to see. got Mrs. Claus, Mickey, and friends.
Don't forget to buy your riders and Santa fries.
What good Santa helpers you are!
One thing about this parade that it's notably long. As you see, there's like no other floats, so it does take a while for the whole thing to go through. Kyle and I are trying to figure out the food situation, but until then, we're gonna go on one of my favorite rides in all of Disneyland and California Adventure, Indiana Jones. It's exactly like a dinosaur as far as the track goes, but this ride is just better. The queue for Indiana Jones is so cool. They're actually slowly adding back the interactivity part of it. They took a lot of it away due to COVID. This is definitely a long queue to walk through, I will say. But at least we're not stopping, which is lovely. Woo, woo. This is my favorite room. Normally there's a little pull when you can spin it and make the spikes come down. They did recently add this back though. This wasn't here. Look at this, it's like a little bendy thing. You can mess with it. You can just, see, look at that. Woo. Wait, does it work? Is it working? It doesn't seem to be working. Well, you used to be able to make it go down, but it's back at least. Our Uber has arrived.
You had to look, didn't you?
Why did it have to be tourists?
Hey, we did it! Walking out of Indiana Jones also takes a minute. Aw, we got the Dapper Dans on Main Street singing. Soon it will be Christmas Day, Christmas Day. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Oh my gosh, finally We got Powerline, Goofy, and Max. Wow, they're just going off. This is I love them. This is my first time seeing them. People really like these characters. You want to say it again?
These characters. These are icons.
Max and Goofy, you right.
That's Powerline, sir.
Powerline, there.
Check my backpack.
True. Wow, you came prepared.
I just remembered I was wearing it.
With the sun slowly setting, this whole area looks amazing. We're headed over to River Bell Terrace to eat. I've only ever eaten at the Blue Bayou, so this is gonna be nice. Here is the indoors of this restaurant. I'm getting like Crystal Palace vibes almost. It reminds me of that one restaurant from the cruise. The one we went on, you know, with the flowers?
Garden?
Yeah. But we are eating outside. I'm actually really excited to first eat. We haven't eaten all day, so this is gonna be delicious. And we have a wonderful table. I am excited to eat. Lots of good food here. I really don't know what I'm gonna get. As we were waiting to get food, Tiana's on the Mark Twain. What the heck? I'm not gonna lie, that is so much cooler than the events from last night. Don't you think? Like, why wasn't she on the boat last night? That would have been cooler.
Yeah, it would have been, honestly.
That's so sick. I got the grilled cheese, tots and beans. It looks great. Kyle got the pulled pork. We're about to go in.
We're going to town.
Yum. With the sun setting, we just wrapped up food. It was delicious. The parade is getting ready to start again. It's lovely to see that they actually have parades during the day. Disney World doesn't have parades yet. They still have cavalcades. Wow.
Nope. Man, okay, East Side's coming back.
I love this. Always making new friends. This is Eric. He knew me from the vlogs. The custodial. I used to do custodial in Disney World. And look what he just gave me. A monetary sweeper. Thank you.
Making magic.
Ah, it's so nice. Thanks, man.
Of course.
Now, Disney Plus Day is also happening in California Adventure. Let's see what we can find real quick. I feel like it's a crime that I haven't been on Mission Breakout yet. It's at a 75-minute wait though. I'll come back tomorrow with Kyle. All right, so in Avengers Campus, Agatha was here today for a special meet and greet. Unfortunately, she is done for today. However, you can still get a free photo pass picture provided because it's Disney Plus Day right over here. So there's a little line for that, which is cool. It is cool that they're doing this at nighttime. Usually when I watch this show, the sun's out and it's really hot. So it's nice to actually see it at nighttime. And I love how Black Panther's watching from above. That is so sick. Festival of the Holidays has officially begun. All the Christmas decoration. Cars Land is completely decorated now. We're gonna be here tomorrow, but I have to show you guys this. Now look at all the tire garlands. I was here literally 2 days ago with Taya, and they didn't have all of these decorations up. They weren't completely ready to go, but now they are. So gorgeous. Festival of the Holidays is in full swing. It just started today. Christmas in Disneyland just started today, and we are gonna come back tomorrow. So make sure if you haven't already subscribed so you don't miss that video. There's a little macaroon cart right here. Okay. There's one more thing I want to check out, which has to do with Disney Plus Day. It should be over here. We got another Disney Plus Day photo op. You can see a nice little line forming. And we got Photo Pass right here taking a picture on the bridge. It's a good spot and it's free. We are getting such a tease of Festival of the Holidays. Look at all that merchandise at Holiday Central. Oh my gosh, we have a live performance.
I don't wanna hang my stocking down on the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy with a tired Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas, all I want for Christmas, all I want for Christmas is you. I only want you.
Yeah!
Okay, everybody, Disney Plus Day was definitely unexpected. I was kind of sad that I couldn't go to Disney Plus Day in Walt Disney World, but I'm glad I was able to go to Disneyland. All of those characters were so cool, and overall, I just had another fun day here in California. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure you go ahead, like, subscribe, share, ring that bell. Tomorrow, we're going to be here in Disney's California Adventure for Festival of the Holidays, and I'm pumped. I'm really excited to try more food, more drinks, with friends, of course. Remember, guys, every day is a blessed day to be alive, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. JK, the vlog's not over. We're at fireworks now. We'll watch a little bit of it. Enjoy these post-credit fireworks.
What was that pant I did?
What pant? Oh, hey.
Last year.
You know, that's really good 0.5.
Yee.
Here we go.
For those treasured moments, they're still there, deep within you, waiting to touch you once more. So come along, as the magic of the season leads the way.
Christmas makes you feel. It's in our hearts to stay. Remember the candy, a season worth sharing. Believe in the magic in
the holidays forever and always believe.
Snow! The perfect way to end the day is by saying goodnight to all of our friends. As you see, it says goodnight in a ton of different languages. I love how they do that here, which is really cool. They have their festive outfits. Oh my gosh, look at Pluto. He's so cute. Okay, everybody, if you enjoyed this vlog, please make sure you go ahead, like, subscribe, share, ring that bell. Guys, I would not be able to do any of this without you, so it really means the world to me that you guys watch my stuff and really enjoy what I put out there. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. Remember, every day is a blessed day to be alive, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.